Hi friends, welcome back to Ross. We're going to look at some of their home decor and their furniture today. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please stay tuned. And also guys, I'm going to have to put music in here and there in this video because there's music in the store. But please continue to watch the video. Thank you guys. Now how pretty is this? Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. It is, I think, $22.99 guys. This is nice. Little fruit bowl flower pot. Here's another one with the frog. $16.99 on this one. And how pretty is this? Oh my goodness. Strawberry flower pot. Gorgeous. It's $24.99. And a little leaf tray down there with the frogs. $10.99 for that one. Ooh, these are pretty with the oranges and the lemons. $12.99 for this one. Party time tray. It's a heavy plastic. Push and pull wagon with canopy, 200-pound capacity. Ooh, look at these, how pretty. Oh my goodness. This one has like one flower, this one has two, and this one is $22.99. It's $39.99. $99.99. Decent weight. Here's a better picture of it right here for $69.99. $39.99. Oh yeah, this one is $99.99. the end table is $39.99. Corner shelf is $59.99. Has the drawers. The ottoman is $39.99. We have one right next to it, which is really pretty. I like these end tables here, guys. They're a little bit different, but these are new here at my store. And this one is $34.99. And this one is $44.99. Another beautiful chair here. This one is not a swivel. It is $80. It is $21.99. The next size is $19.99. I love the natural color of this flower stand here. It's $39.99 for one. Set here is $49.99 with the baskets. It has 4 baskets. There's the 2 shelves on the inside, 1 drawer down here. Nice sturdy legs for $69.99. Two more over here. And this one is $59.99. I like this pretty color. This one is $59.99. Really deep drawer on this one. This one is just like the green one, the first one we seen, guys. $39.99. It is so congested over here, guys, but I'm trying to show you as much as possible. Okay. This little wall cabinet, open wall cabinet, is $29.99. 3-piece comforter set for $32.99. That's pretty. It's in a full queen. It has 1 comforter, 2 standard shams. Calvin Klein 3-piece king comforter sham set is $79.99. A set of 2 washable accent rugs. Well, these are pretty. Let's see, the price is $12.99 on these. So you get one that is 20 by 32 and one that is 24 by 40. Well, these are nice, guys. That price is great. Here's another one. Yes. This is one. Ooh, look at this one. One just sitting by itself right here. Oh, these curtains are pretty. Madison Loft. Textured window panel set with a rod pocket. Back tab, $22.99. And this is a 36 by 84. 4-piece too. Ooh, that's great. Oh yeah, these are pretty, guys. This is a shower curtain here, 100% cotton, 72 by 72 by Shabby Chic, $10.99. Another great find. These are really nice. This is a tiered foldable mesh metal cart for $29.99. For $9.99. $16.99. This one is $16.99 as well. Oh, how cute. $7.99. For $9.99.